Hey, yo, Mason Pot fam. I hope you're having a great day. It's your bro, Jack, and we're kicking it on the channel here, guys. If it's your first time tapping in, please subscribe. We do all types of dope infusion content and just cool cannabis content in general. What are my personal favorite ways to consume coconut oil slash MCT oil? Number one is just straight up, guys. Whether it's a spoonful of coconut oil or a tincture dropper of the MCT oil, that is my go-to. I'm getting just the straight cannabis and the oil, and I like to go about that for the main reason being it's just easy to do, and I'm not taking in a bunch of other shit. My second favorite way is to put it in a drink. My favorite drink to put it in would be a smoothie, do some nice fruits in there. You could even have the terpenes of the fruits play with the cannabis in there, and it can actually sway your high just slightly, I think. But I like doing a smoothie or in a cup of coffee, hot chocolate, tea, also in sauces. So I'll put sauces with the drinks for now. Wasn't planning on that one, but that's what I'm thinking there. Number three does take a little bit more work, but once you do it, it's so freaking convenient. Put the MCT oil or coconut oil in capsules. It's really not hard to do. Get a little capsule machine, take a little dropper, put it in each one, close them up, then you have your capsules ready to rock and roll, perfectly dosed, and that's the way to go about it. That would be my number one. It just takes a little more time, so that's why I take it straight up. I don't mind the taste. If I did mind the taste, capsules would be my number one, guys. I have a feeling this fourth one is most people's number one. It's gummies and chocolates. Coconut oil and MCT oil are my two favorites to add when making chocolates and gummies. I like doing butter sometimes with chocolates because that nice rich flavor, but the coconut oil with both of those gummies and chocolates is the way to go, guys. Either melt your mix up, stir in the coconut oil, pour your gummy mold, or if it's an MCT oil, you could simply drop it on top of like the sugar-coated gummies. We have videos and all this stuff on this channel, so check those out if you want to take a little deeper dive. And then when it comes to the chocolate, I'll just use the Mason Pot jar as like a double broiler. Same with the gummies. I'll just set this in here in a pot of water. I'll let it melt down. Then I'll add the oil. I'll stir it up and I'll just simply dump it in the mold. On our website, we have like the little cube molds, 160 little silicone grid there. I like those cube molds, the tiny ones, because you can really dial in what you're taking and know how much like each gummy is. Sure, you could do that with bigger ones, but I like the idea of having a little smaller ones. Maybe you do want to take a little micro dose. So those are my top 4 ways I like to enjoy coconut oil and MCT oil. Do you have any other favorite ways? There's other ways to do it too. You know, add it to any savory foods, but those are my top 4. We're gonna keep it there, guys. Thank you for chilling with the Mason Pot fam. Hopefully you already joined the fam or you're about to hit that subscribe button right there and maybe share with a homie to join the fam too. So thank you for posting up. I'll catch you guys on the next Mason Pot video.